Hello and welcome to you all. In this video, I will share with you DJI Avata Drone from DJI Drone Store on AliExpress. DJI Avata can be used with goggles and DJI motion controller. The easy and intuitive control allows you to experience a more immersive flight and aerial photography. The aircraft body is lightweight and portable, making it flexible to fly in various scenarios. It also comes with a built-in propeller guard to further improve flight safety. Compared with the 84 degrees FOV of ordinary camera drones, the video recording FOV of DJI Avata has been expanded to 155 degrees. This expanded FOV makes a breakthrough in aerial photography and facilitates more impactful visual effects. For more information about this drone, please click on my valuable affiliate link mentioned in the video description and visit the DJI Drone Store webpage, which is the best supplier of AliExpress. I am also happy to say that I receive a small commission on all of your eligible purchases. I bid farewell and look forward to seeing you again in a new product video. Thanks so much for everything.